At ProTrainings and First Aid Online, we have a full range of different types of trauma dressing. This is just some of them. The dressings themselves vary in price and size. It depends what you want to do with them. So you can have a basic trauma dressing, which is a standard size, and have something slightly bigger. If you want to have something to cover the entire chest area, we do those as well. They come in different colours. You've got the military colours, which are usually browns or greens, and then you've got whites, which is the civilian ones. The other key difference with them, some of them are more of a rolled dressing and some are much flatter. You do get what you pay for with the dressings. These ones here are a lot more expensive and these are more of a basic unit. But at the end of the day, a trauma dressing is there to work and they're very, very effective. But you need to pick the ones that are correct for what you need. When we do our bleed kits, we would put the standard dressings in. They work really, really well. It's really, if it's more advanced stuff, you would perhaps need these other ones here. If you want to see the full range of trauma dressings, have a look on our website, which is firstaidonline.co.uk, or you can contact us by phone or email and you can see all the full range that we have in stock.